Hi, this is Pete at JDM Car and Motorcycle in Sequim, and this is our selection of Toyota 4x4 wagons and SUVs and cars. This is a 1998 Toyota Mark II Qualis. It's a four-wheel drive V6 wonderful wagon. And then I have this gorgeous Caldina 1998 2-liter turbo. And then I have a nice older 94 with a center diff lock with a 2-liter 16 valve. And then I have a 1999 Toyota Harrier, which is our Lexus RX 300. Then I got the hot rodded 98 RAV4 with a Beams 180 horse 4-cylinder and a 5-speed, basically an early TRD. And I have a Toyota Camry automatic 4-wheel drive, cute as a button. Got a 1.3 liter. And I have a 1999 Starlet with only 47,000 miles on it. And it's a 1.1 5-speed. It should get amazing gas mileage. Think Metro, but more reliable. And then we have our Toyota Corona 2-liter, just like the Camry, 4x4, low miles. I have a Daihatsu Pizar, which doesn't sound Toyota, but it was made, Toyota owns Daihatsu. Nice little 4x4. I have an early Camry 4x4 also with a 2-liter. And the Terios, which is just like the Camry. Same motor, same tranny, 4x4. And last but not least, the Corolla Spacio. A high roof hatchback with tons of room with a 1.8 liter Corolla motor. Very cute.